The market is significantly positive. 4.91% is what we have here. Again, as we have Eternal PLC, we have DCOP, we have that's Deep Capital Market and Trust. We have FCMB Group PLC, and for gainers, Zenith Bank and Nigerian Breweries. For the losers today, we have Ikeja Hotel, National Cash Registrar Company, NCR. We have Tantalizers. We have International Energy Insurance PLC. We have Chi PLC, Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC. Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo, thank you so much. It's good to have you on the program. Please, what are you seeing at the exchange in regards to all of these figures? What could be responsible for this?
Well, if you remember quite well last week, on this program, I said the market will go gaga as soon as the inauguration is successfully done on Monday. And today we are seeing a larger gain than we have ever seen in the market a day after the inauguration. And should this have been that Airtime gain today, which I trust, with the volume traded in that stock today, which I believe will happen tomorrow, we'll have seen the market go well over close to 6%. But for what we have seen, I think there is a lot of value inherent in the market, which will be unveiled with time, and that if the capacity of the listed companies is actually enlarged, which definitely is going to happen with an improved economy management, then definitely we are going to see much more than this. May not be in the middle, but we are going to see the index getting to 60,000 sometime before the end of the year. And it can be anytime very soon. And believe me, for what we have seen, the potential within the market is still very much large. If you look at other developed markets, hardly do you see companies whose dividend yield is up to 5%. So we are seeing companies in Nigeria whose dividend yield is well over 10%. So definitely, people shouldn't look at the pricing that any pricing ratio. The price-earning ratio is anything out of place. It's still very much in order. So we're going to see much more improvement in the market. And by the time the foreign portfolio investors come, when they see what is already happening and how the economy is going to tick under the new administration, then definitely we're going to see a market that will beat performance with respect to any other market in the year 2023.
Mr. Fakayejo, hold your thoughts. Let me get Effiong in before we wrap up this. Effiong is joining me from the floor in Marina, Lagos. Effiong, tell us what is playing out after the inauguration we've all waited for.
Tolu, a market that has been in waiting for action straight moved into that particular level of activity that majority of analysts had predicted. We have seen the first 5, 6 companies that made the gainers chart. They all took maximum percent of 10. I can list them: Deep Capital, FCMB, Nigerian Breweries, Sterling Bank, Transcorp. The list is almost endless. And there is excitement here in the market corridor. And I understand that majority of the stockbrokers, analysts, they expect that government should bring out a list of those who need to work, especially the faces of financial and economic managers, very quickly in order to accelerate the movement of the market and the economy. So it is not surprising that a day after the inauguration, market seems very ready to take good action and to propel prosperity that we have been waiting for. All the stocks that have been on the positive side, they have done exceedingly well. Indeed, I was having arguments with a stockbroker when he brought out the percentage performance of the market at the end of it. It was really very surprising. But I think it was all expected all along, and so we've seen it this way. Tolu?
Interesting stuff. Mr. Fakayejo, let's wrap up with you at your end. Looking at sectors playing here, we have almost all sectors performing pretty good. It's your outlook, or what are your projections for the market moving on as we get to work with the new administration? Mr. Fakayejo. Mr. Fakayejo, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I said, what is your outlook now? Because most of the sectors are playing good in the market.
I can hear you.
I said most of the sectors are playing good at the moment. What is your projection?
Yeah, my projection is we're still going to see it better. It may not be in the media, but tomorrow we are still going to see the same thing almost repeating itself. Stocks that were like standard today, brazen up, we definitely join the array of gainers tomorrow. And I don't see any profit taking tomorrow, so we're going to see the market much better again. And the value inherent in the market still remains very relaxed.
Thank you so much, Mr. Fakayejo. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
You're welcome.
All right, then, Effiong, what more do you want to tell us at the exchange? What more do we have to hear?
Tolu, we expect the market to sustain this level of performance in the coming weeks and coming months. And the investors that have kept their money, they will now bring such to the markets and put in the various market subsectors. We expect that bullish run will start very soon, and it will stay for a reasonable long period of time, because as we see the government taking one step after the other, market will continue to interpret that, and investors who have been waiting for almost 6 months, it is now time that they will now help the markets to close, and then the economy also to be boosted. And so we are expecting the economy and the markets to be opened up, foreigners to return to this particular market, and for us to do more of wealth creation as expected of us here. Tolu?
Thank you so much, Effiong Gekop. I'll see you later at the office.